Now let's hear from President and CEO David Strong, as well as Chief Operating Officer Dr. Jamal Hakim, and get their thoughts on this new facility. Great to be with you here today, gentlemen. David, tell me a little bit about the early vision for this hospital and its community.
Right. Well, what's neat about this hospital is that the vision started probably a couple decades ago with some community members that live in West Orange, and they saw a piece of property that they said, gosh, someday there's going to be a lot of development out there. And so the foresight and the way they looked ahead was pretty impressive. And those people were really the board members of Health Central Hospital. And so they did a great job, and so thankful for them, actually.
For the folks that are living out there in the community, what would be the advantage of going to Horizon West?
Sure. Well, you know, when you're sick, the last thing you want to do is travel. Right. I mean, you'd like to get taken care of as close to home as possible. And what's even better with this site is it's brand new. You walk in, and hopefully, as people are seeing, it looks like a hotel with great views. It's a place that's close to home that has great specialists as well as wonderful staff.
On that note, David, any words of encouragement or wisdom to the team out there and the excitement surrounding this grand opening?
Yeah, well, Orlando Health is blessed with amazing team members and physicians, and the ones on this site are no different. I had the opportunity to visit with several of them on one of the nursing units, and they were telling me that they got together as a group and said, what do we want to be as a unit? And there were things that they talked about how they wanted to work as a team, how they wanted to provide the highest service, you know, from a customer perspective. They wanted to make sure that they were providing high quality care. And so, you know, when you've got team members that, you know, aren't following this, you know, the rigid demands of here's what we expect you to do for service, but have a heart, have a desire to provide great service. Patients and families feel that, and that's the kind of people that are there. And so I think their warmth, their energy will just draw people to that site. So we're excited about that. You know, if your physician lets you know that you may need surgery or you need some type of test or procedure, ask them if you can go to Horizon West.